9 out of 10 of the world's most walkable cities are in Europe. India didn't even make the list. Mumbai, it ranked 7th among the least walkable cities on the planet. So, what does that actually cost us? India is the third largest CO2 emitter in the world, 7 to 8% of global emissions. Transportation alone, 15% of that. We keep talking about EVs as a solution, but here's what the data actually shows. We cannot solve carbon emissions by switching to EVs. We solve it by building walkable cities. Munich leads the world in walkability. 86% of its population lives within 1 kilometer of a car free zone. Hundreds of miles of bike trails, people walk everywhere, no car needed. Now look at Mumbai, poor pedestrian safety, almost zero car free zones, and every monsoon season, foot traffic collapses. As per the stats, 51% of the city depends on walking for their entire commute, and another 60% of the public transport users walk the last mile. That brings the share of people walking daily easily beyond 70%. Yet, the city punishes these very people with poor infrastructure while prioritizing vehicle infrastructure. This is not only inconvenient but also a policy failure. Here's what nobody talks about. Rising temperatures caused by climate change are literally confining us to our homes. Forced inactivity, and inactivity kills. India is projected to reach 10.62 premature deaths per 1 lakh population by 2050 just from physical inactivity. We are not just building bad cities, we are building cities that kill people. India reports only 28% registered vehicles. The rest, they walk to buses, walk to metro stations, walk to reach cabs. Over 70% of India walks. And we are widening roads for cars. We call that development. That is not development. That's a contradiction. But change is already happening. On the ground in Mumbai. Meet Walking Project, led by Mr. Rishi Agarwal. Walking Project is a pedestrian advocacy group working towards making Mumbai walkable. They work with citizens, government agencies in Mumbai metropolitan region to fix the basics. Now, what are these basics? Good street design, proper footpath width, surface quality, continuity, no gaps, no encroachments, unobstructed walking lanes, management of street vendors, vehicle parking. Their biggest win, they pushed for pedestrian improvement in Mumbai, after which BMC allocated 100 crore rupees in the financial year 2025-2026 budget, specially for improving footpaths. Areas like Mahalakshmi and Grant Road, tens of thousands of people already benefiting. And when a social media poll asked Mumbai residents what they wanted most, 77.1% chose accessible footpaths over selfie points. People want to walk. We just need cities that let them. If you want your city to change, join Walking Project. Volunteer, walk with them, push for change in your ward because EVs won't fix the climate crisis. Walkable cities will. Like, share and subscribe because this is exactly the kind of story that needs to spread.